District Magistrate ka Ri Bhoi District u Abhilash Bharanwal ula Pynjari daka section Shispa and Rupulai BNSS Ri Bhoi District pankhang persya ay kino ki riu shimen ne ki kenhun bathang khlaw namar ka jingjur pala ka jingthang khlaw pathar Ri Bhoi District but ka ne ka jingthang khlaw pathar kla bu jingma ha ka ne ka ayom terkhong u Abhilash Bharanwal habakren chekilat patai khubor ula ong bala Pynjari ya te ka kandon ain kalong bankhang persya banthang khlaw namar ka ne ka jingthang khlaw kakta ek jing imbreu kakta ru ya kimrat kumju ru wat ya ka me mariang.
The deliberate burning of forests in this dry season is a major problem faced by the district, as a result of which the district administration has issued an order under section 163 of the BNS, wherein we have prohibited all the deliberate burning of forests within the jurisdiction of the Ri Bhoi district. This we have done to protect forest regeneration, simultaneously to protect the lives of humans and wildlife, and simultaneously to prevent air pollution from taking place. The two departments which have been made responsible to enforce the same are the DFO Social Forestry as well as Soil and Water Conservation Office. However, we have also requested them to take all the local authority, that is the headmen and the Rangbashnongs of the village, into confidence. We appeal to all the headmen and the Rangbashnongs that they should cooperate with the district administration. They should take this issue seriously, and those people who are burning down the forest for whatever reasons, they should be. The headmen should inform the concerned authorities who are responsible for implementation of this order, and they should report to the local police as well. With the cooperation of the local authorities only, we hope that the forest fire burning can be controlled to some extent in order to protect the lives of humans and wildlife together.